Guys, greetings to everyone on the Asab trade channel, and with you as always Asab, and today I'll tell you about a very simple and very fast and effective trading strategy. With helping that trading strategy you can increase your deposit if you don't have the trading experience, and if you have the trading experience, it's really will be useful for you. Before we start, I want to ask you leave the comment and like under that video, because it is really very important to me. Let's get started. So guys, let's open the forecast where we trade. Usually it's the pocket option, the best platform on the binary option in the world. And so today I will use very effective trading strategy. With helping that trading strategy, I will increase my deposit very good. So, and time expiration for trading session will be 3 minutes. And so time frame will be 3 minutes, and I'll use 2 indicators. It's like moving average and OSI indicator. Let's begin to trade, and afterwards I'll explain all in detail. The first trade will be $500, guys, and so let's find some convention situation for the trading session, and I will explain all in details. And so currency pair AUD, currency pair OTS, and so I enter is 3 minute time expiration and amount for one deal $500. So I enter to downward position, and let me explain all in detail. So the first I look to OSI indicator, and that indicator have the histogram. That histogram have the green candles, and that green candles line to upper zone or the down zone. And so if that green candles line to down zone, it's the first signal to enter to downward position. If that histograms and shows us the green candle line to upper zone, that signal to enter to upper position. It's really very simple. So the second view falling down to moving average, and so if that indicator have the green curve line, so if that green line are directed to downward position, that the signal to enter to down trend. So if that curve line are directed to upper position, that the signal to enter exactly to upper zone. And so in our case we can see that green curve line are directed to down position, and it's the signal to enter to downward direction. So so we did it, and we're just waiting for our profit. I think that all will be okay and all right. So we exactly must catch that motion. We catch the first trade, so $960 I win. And so on my bank account $2,055, so it is really very cool. So I'm entered to upper position, currency pair AUD cut OTS. And so what we can see, we see that the first indicator OSI shows us the green candle line to upper zone, and it is this thing because I'm entered to upper position. And so if you watch to the moving average indicator, you can see that this indicator shows us the green curve line, and that curve line linked to consolidation. But I see in that moment that it's really a little bit signal to enter to upper position, and it is because I'm entered to upper trend. So it's exactly looking good for us, and it's really cool. If you are a beginner, you can work with me absolutely free of charge. Just subscribe to my Telegram channel, write me in the direct message, teach me, and I'll share all useful information what I have, and I'll send you the link in my VIP channel where we trade with my team every day and we have the great results. If you want the same, just join us. And so we can see that in this case price motion going to upper trend, and it's really cool for us, and a little bit dumping, but it's not scary. We exactly must be catch that motion. So but in the OSMI indicator shows us the green candle, and that green candle begin to down zone. It is really not good for us and it's looking not good, but it is market and it's happened. As you can see, that price motion really very good looking, so I like that motion, and I assure you that all must be all right in our case for today trading session, really working very good. So guys, two indicators, only two indicators. It's OSMI indicator and moving average indicator. That indicator working very well together. So it's exactly cool results. Woo! And we catch that motion, two deals, guys. Oh my gosh, $1,920, guys. It's really sound crazy. And on my bank account, $3,895, and it's really looking very good, guys. So guys, I'm entered to upper position, currency pair euro GP OTS, and so if we watch to the OSMI indicator, you can see that that indicator shows us really very high green candles, and that green candles lying to upper zone. And so if you watch to the moving average indicator, that indicator have the green curve line, and that curve line are directed to upper position, and it was the second signal to enter to upper position, and I did it. All must be happening, but I think that in this case we will catch that motion. So definitely I think we're just waiting for that motion. I'm entered with 3 deals, and amount for one deal was the $1,000. It's really large amount, guys, and it's really dangerous. It's looking very dangerous and rude, but I think that all must be all right in our case. So we exactly enter, we exactly identify right direction, trend direction, and so I think that in that case all must be all right and okay. So we're just waiting for our profit, guys. And so after that case I must win around, I don't know, around $3,000, so it's plus minus. And so we just must really make the patient, and so price a little bit jumping, and it is really good because price motion right now on our sides, and so it is really for our good win rate. So oh my gosh, it's really red candle, and it's showing really red candle, and so the price motion really pushing to down position, but it must be okay, guys. I think no, brother, no, brother, just must catch that motion. So we get that motion. So it was 3 deals. So guys, on my bank account $6,655. It's just sound crazy, guys. That trading strategy working very well. So guys, in the conclusion I want to tell you that it was really perfect trading strategy. I made the 3 deals, and I'm earned around $4,500 for 3 deals. It's really sound crazy. If you want the large results, you must have the large amount for your bank account on the platforms. If you're a beginner or you have the experience, you just must write me in the direct message, teach me, and I'll share all useful information what I have, and I'll send you the link in my V.I.P channel where we trade with my team every day and where we earn really high money and we have the large results. See you soon, until the next time, and hack you all until it crunches.